This is just a video about what happened and why I'm doing this is because I'm currently grounded probably for ages and ages. So I'm using my mum's computer to video. So this video is going to be not on my usual account, but the account that you're watching it from now, if that makes any sense. So I'm just going to be recording from there. And then when I get my computer back, I'm probably going to go back to normal. I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing. Another thing I want to do is to tell you about a giveaway with this person. She's giving away her account. It's just level 7, of course. So I'm not entirely sure what you have to do for it. I think you can get it for free or you have to auto her. I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, go friend her if you want and like ask her about the giveaway or whatever. Yeah. This is really awkward for me because most people that watch this will be like, who are you? Because this is a different account than I usually use. But if you want to go friend this account, it's one of my newest accounts. This is the username, because I don't think you can see the image here, but oh jeez, that's it. I know it's weird when I can just say it out loud, but that's probably the easiest thing for me to do, just write it in the stairs. And that's basically it for now, but I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on here. School is tomorrow, so that may make a delay, but I'll try my best to be online as much as I can. But I guess thank you for watching if you did, and if you're still here, well, again, thanks. Bye.